morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, December 31st. Happy New Year's Eve to everybody. Hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Eve plans and Happy New Year. We do got one item here really on the economic calendar, and that is the jobless claims that we get every Thursday. So last week's report came in at 803,000 people applying for unemployment first-time benefits. However, that was revised slightly higher to 806,000. Forecast is calling for an increase to 833,000 for this week. However, it did dip down to 787,000. So that's obviously good news. The other good news is if you look at continued claims, we had 5.337 million people, or got revised slightly lower to 5.322 million, and it dipped down to about 5.219 million. So continued claims is dropping off a little bit by little bit, and we're starting to see some improvement. So that's obviously good news that people are hopefully getting back to work, not just getting off unemployment. Let's jump ahead, see how what the headline news are for the day. Stocks are mixed. Really, the only one in it's real light trading because, as we mentioned, the holidays, the big traders are on holiday vacation. Won't return until next week. We won't see any probably somewhat normalcy as one could expect until about a week or two afterwards, until they get kind of their feet settled in. Uh, but right now, S&P is right now the only one that's in positive territory. We're at kind of highs, near the highs of all the indexes. So again, they're going to probably be reevaluating, see where values are at. We're past a few stages from the Brexit. We're past the stimulus package. But speaking of such, the 2000 stimulus check, the Senate basically said, or McConnell basically came back and said that he's not willing to vote on a standalone $2,000 check. He wants to add stuff to it, where meaning that if we give you the 2,000, we get these other negotiated pieces back. So most likely that's not anything. Nothing's going to happen. So I don't think the other side's going to want to go ahead and okay that or not. Or okay that. So in any case, that's probably a fruitless point. Let's jump ahead, see how this is playing out in the mortgage-backed securities and what mortgage rates are doing today. We're up 11 basis points, so it should be enough with yesterday's. We had some more gains yesterday. We should be able to have a little bit of improvement today. And even as I did this was kind of going up a little bit higher to about 13, 14 basis points. So this should be enough for lenders to come out with a little better pricing. Now, this isn't really a good gauge as to where we're going to be once next week or the following week happens, once we get back into more normal trading. But in any case, this is where we're at least today. We'll have to kind of wait and see what they look at. The big thing they're going to be really looking at going forward will be the Georgia runoffs on January 5th. And of course, we've got the electorate, which are expected to be some pretty big protests going on as well on the 6th of January. So be prepared. Next week could be a very bumpy ride. It could be very interesting how things play out. But in any case, the good news is that we're seeing a little bit of improvement in our mortgage rates today, and we'll have to wait and see how they move next week. Here are yields. They've come down a little bit. We're testing the 25-day moving average. We're just under 0.92 at 0.918 right now, and that's pretty much the day. We'll be closing early today. The yields will be treasuries will be closed, or mortgage-backed securities or the bond market will be closing at 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So this will be a very short day today for us all. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your New Year's. Be safe and have fun. And we'll see you guys next week on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.